Welcome to Motor World, the channel where passion meets precision, and every ride tells a story. Today, we dive into the world of timeless British craftsmanship and modern engineering with the 2025 Triumph TR6R Bobber, a motorcycle that revives classic soul with a cutting-edge attitude. Let's explore how Triumph has blended heritage and innovation into a stunning piece of two-wheeled art. A tribute to the classic era. The TR6R name carries deep roots in Triumph's legacy. Originally known as the Tiger 650 back in the 1960s, the TR6R was an icon of British motorcycling, a machine favored by riders who valued style, performance, and individuality. Now, in 2025, Triumph brings it back, reimagined for a new generation while staying true to its old-school bobber DNA. From its low stance to the minimal rear fender and exposed frame, the TR6R Bobber is a bold homage to vintage design with a modern twist. Design and styling. At first glance, the 2025 TR6R Bobber is a work of art. It carries a handcrafted look, with a floating single-seat, hardtail-style rear, and a sculpted 14-liter fuel tank that perfectly complements its minimalist form. Triumph's designers have incorporated brushed aluminum, deep chrome accents, and heritage-inspired paint schemes like British racing green and jet black with gold pinstripes. The bike's low-slung profile and muscular stance evoke the true spirit of a custom-built bobber straight from a 1950s garage, yet it feels refined and premium in every detail. Engine and performance. Underneath its vintage looks lies a thoroughly modern heart. The 2025 TR6R Bobber is powered by a 1,200 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, tuned to deliver around 80 horsepower and 105 Nm of torque. Triumph has refined its Bonneville-based powertrain for smoother delivery, instant throttle response, and a richer exhaust note. With a new ride-by-wire system and two riding modes, road and rain, it balances performance with control. The exhaust note is particularly special. Deep, throaty, and unmistakably British. It's designed to echo the rumble of the classic TR6R but tuned to meet modern emissions standards. On the road, the engine feels alive, offering a perfect blend of punchy mid-range torque and effortless cruising power. Chassis and handling. The frame geometry of the TR6R Bobber has been carefully tuned for agility and comfort. The bike uses a hidden rear monoshock setup to maintain the vintage hardtail look while delivering real suspension performance. The lightweight tubular steel frame, paired with a 47mm show of front fork and twin-disc Brembo brakes, ensures precise handling and strong stopping power. Riders will appreciate the low 690mm seat height, which provides excellent confidence at stops and a relaxed riding position for long journeys. Whether you're carving through city streets or cruising open highways, the TR6R Bobber offers the perfect balance between classic form and modern function. Technology and features. While its sell